Welcome to J-Knight Technologies, your tech fixes, IT solutions, software engineering, and cybersecurity insights. Whether you're troubleshooting gadgets, repairing devices, optimizing software, mastering secure coding, or exploring the latest in cybersecurity, I've got you covered. Subscribe for hands-on tutorials, expert tips, and clear step-by-step guides. Let's simplify technology and make it work for you.
Hi there. Have you ever been frustrated with how slow your computer runs, even when we are not doing much with it? Sometimes it feels like your PC is working against you instead of helping you. But the good news is there are quick and simple tricks you can use to make your computer faster. No need for expensive software or a trip to the repair shop. In just a moment, I'm going to show you a powerful Windows trick using something called Msconfig or system configuration. It's quick, it's safe, and it can help your computer start up faster by using more of its power. Before we jump in, just make sure you are ready to follow along because all it takes is a few clicks and you will notice the big difference. Alright, let's get into it. So the first step to make your PC faster, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the box that pops up, type msconfig and press enter or hit OK. The window will open. Click on the Boot tab. Now click on Advanced Options. Now check the box that says number of processes. So you have to check this. And then you click the drop down and select the highest number available. So I've already done mine. That's why the 4 is a selected number. So select 4. Yours can be 6 or 5 depending on the machine you're using. Then click OK. First uncheck the number of processes. Then click OK. Then apply and OK again. You'll be asked to restart your computer. Click restart to finish the process and your computer will be 10 times faster than before. I've done mine, so I'll just close this window. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next one.